We have a little bit of my fresh human breast milk.
Wow.
Have you guys ever tasted human breast milk? Do you like breast milk?
You say breast milk?
I did. I have breast milk in here. Do you want to try?
You don't know what you're missing, sir.
I should have brought the pump. We would have definitely got
That's
some
what it is,
takers
Dot.
if I was just like hooked up right here on Hollywood Boulevard.
That's why people don't think it's fresh.
Do you drink cow's milk?
No?
What, do you drink any milk?
Yeah?
What kind?
Like the supermarket?
Do you like breast milk? I've got that too.
Oh yeah, breast milk!
Yeah, breast milk from a human or a cow?
Human!
Yeah!
Would you like to try some of my fresh breast milk? It's
I pumped it this morning, but I'm serious. Why can't you believe it? It's human breast milk. That's why it says human on it.
Okay.
Sure you don't want to take that one? Do you normally drink breast milk?
Yes.
Yes, what kind?
Breast milk.
There's 100 people in here watching, and everybody's telling me don't take the breast milk.
Why? It's Olympic breast milk. You want some breast milk with your dog? Yeah. Yeah, it is right. Cow or human?
Human.
Did you breastfeed as a baby?
No.
Are you sure?
I was good.
So this is your first human milk ever in your life?
That's it. 1,
Human milk for
2,
humans.
3.
You taste good.
To be honest, you got good breast milk.
Fucking awesome. Tastes like almond milk.
Do you like plant milk, like oat milk or almond milk or pew?
I never think that.
Do you want to try it? Because it's delicious. I have coconut milk that is with cinnamon.
You don't drink cow's milk?
No!
Because you're lactose intolerant?
No, I drink almond milk instead.
Oh, I love you!
Yes.
And then there's chocolate pea milk. Like from a pea, like a green pea, not like pea, my piss pea, like from a pea. Tons of protein. Yeah.
That's some good shit in it. Yeah.
It tastes like regular chocolate milk.
All right.
That's good though.
All right.
I would pour this in some cereal.
Taste the cinnamon. This
Yeah, it's kind of good, yeah.
kind of good.
Put that in your cereal, smoothies. Ooh, it tastes like vanilla. Is it nice? It's delicious, actually. And it definitely tastes better than cow's milk, right? Because you know.
Well, I know we're supposed to. Like, that's really like that's the holy grail of life.
Yeah.
Cow can't even tell you their name, introduce themselves or nothing. Well, and they
Never thought of it that way.
used to poor cow.
Well, the times are changing. We don't have to drink breast milk from a cow anymore. But no cow's milk for you.
I don't like the cow's milk. It's nasty.
It's for cows.
Right. Makes sense.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Things that make sense. Things that don't make sense.
Things that make